Hello student, I hope you are doing well. I am Pramod Chand Joshi from HMJ SB Inter College. Today we will start chapter 2 fraction and decimal exercise 2.3. First question is find 1 upon 4 of A part 1 upon 4. B part 1 upon 4 of 3 upon 5. C part 1 upon 4 of 4 upon 3. First part I will do and second part you will do by your own. First part for you 1 upon 4 of first 1 upon 4. Of means multiplication. 1 upon 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4. There is no common factor in numerator and denominator. Then 1 multiplied by 1 that is 1 and 4 multiplied by 4 that is 16. The solution is 1 upon 16. And now 1 upon 4 of 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. That is 1 upon 4 multiplied by 3 upon 5. Now there is no common factor in numerator and denominator. Then you will multiply numerator and denominator. Numerator 1 multiplied by 3 that is 3 and 4 multiplied by 5 that is 20. This is the solution of second part, B part. And C part is 1 upon 4 of 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3. Now you are seeing 1 upon 4 of means multiplication 4 upon 3. Now you are seeing that 4 can be cancelled by 4. And that is 1 upon 1 multiplied by 1. 1 upon 1 multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by 3 that is 3. 1 upon 3. Now question number 2. Multiply and reduce lowest form if possible. If they are possible. First question is 2 upon 3 multiplied by 2 whole 2 upon 3. You will solve this 2 multiplied by, you will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 plus 2. 3 multiplied by 2 plus 2 upon 3. That is 2 multiplied by 2 3 is 6 plus 2 8 upon 3. That is 16 upon 2. This is 2 by 3 and this is 2 by 3. 16 upon 9. You will change this fraction into mixed fraction. 9 you will divide 9 1 ja 9 and you will get remainder 7 and 1 whole that is 1 whole 7 upon 9. You can write and this part you will see 2 upon 7 multiplied by 7 upon 9. 7 you can cancel this 7 1 1 2 multiplied by 1 that is 2 upon 1 multiplied by 9 9. Yeah, that is the solution is 2 upon 9. This is already proper fraction. And now third part is 3 upon 8 multiplied by 6 upon 4. You can reduce it into lowest form. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. Now it is 3 multiplied by 3 upon 8 multiplied by 2. That 3 multiplied by 3 that is 9 and 8 multiplied by 2 that is 16. This is the solution. And now last part, fourth part is 9 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 5. 9 upon 5, sorry. 9 upon 5. There is no common factor other than 1 common factor. And 9 3 is 27 and 5 5 is 25. You will multiply numerator and denominator. There is no common factor. So you will divide 25. You will change into mixed fraction. 25 1 ja 25. You will get 2. That is 1 whole 2 upon 25. This is the answer of the. Dear student, question number 3. Multiply the following fraction. You will multiply first question. You will see solution is 2 upon 5 and you will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 5 multiplied by 4, 5 multiplied by 4 plus 1. 5 multiplied by 4 plus 1 upon 4. You will get 2 upon 5 multiplied by 5 4 is 20 plus 1 upon 4. That is 2 upon 5 multiplied by 21 upon 4. That is 2 is 2, you can cancel, 2 2 is 4. 21 upon 10. Now you can change this 21 upon 10 into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, how you will change? 10, 21, 10 2 is 21. That is 2 whole 1 upon 10. You can write like this. Now this part you will see 6 whole 2 upon 5 multiplied by 7 upon 9. First of all, you will change this fraction into mixed fraction. 6 multiplied by 5 plus 2 upon 5 into 7 upon 9. This will become 6 5 the 30 plus 2 upon 5 into 7 upon 9. That is 32 upon 5 into 7 upon 9. 32 upon 5. Now there is no common factor here. So you will multiply 7 2 is 14. 7 3 is 21 and 22 upon 9 5 is 45. Now you will change this fraction into mixed fraction. You will divide 45 2 2 4. 45 4 is 4 5 is 20. 4 5 is 20 22. That is 4. That is 4 whole 4 upon 45. Now you will see question this part 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2, you will change this fraction into mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 3 is 5 multiplied by 3 plus 1 upon 3. That is 3 upon 2 multiplied by 5 3 is 15 plus 1 upon 3. That is 3 upon 2 into 15 plus 1 16 upon 3. You can cancel 3 and 3. 2 say you can cancel 8. Now 8 upon 1, that is 8. Answer is 8. Now fourth part 5 upon 6 into 7, you will change into this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 multiplied by 7 plus 3 upon 7. That is 5 upon 6 multiplied by 7 to the 14 plus 3 upon 7. That is 5 upon 6 into 17. 14 plus 3. 17 upon 7. 17 5 is 85 upon 42. Now you will change into mixed fraction. 42, 85. 42 2 ja, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. 2 whole 1 upon 42. Dear student, which is greater? 2 upon 7 of 3 upon 4 or 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8. First of all, we will solve the two fractions simultaneously. Here 2 upon 7 of means multiplication 3 upon 4 or 3 upon 5 multiplied by 5 upon 8. Now you can cancel 2 2 ja 4 and 3 1 ja 3 upon 7 2 ja 14, or you are saying 5, you can cancel it. 5 3 1 ja 3 upon 1 8 ja 8. Now this is greater or this is greater. Here you are seeing numerator is same. Numerator is same and denominator is here is greater denominator and here is smaller denominator. So the greater denominator will be smaller than small denominator because numerator is same, and you can do this will be greater than this. 3 upon 18 14 will be less than 3 upon 8, and you can solve this by another method. See here, 3 upon 14 is greater or 3 upon 8 is greater. You will check, you will do cross multiplication. First you will do cross multiplication and you will do this type of cross multiplication. First you will write here 3 8 ja 24 and 14 3 ja 42. Here you are seeing that 42 is greater than 24, so this is greater than this. So 3 upon 5 upon 8 is greater than 2 upon 7 of 3 upon 4. This part you will do by your own. This is, after this you can solve like this. Here is the answer and you can solve this by another method. Dear student, question number 5. Sally planted 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 upon 4 meter. Find the distance between first and the last sapling. How many saplings? The distance between 2 adjacent saplings. The distance between 2 adjacent sapling is 3 upon 4 meter. There are 4 saplings. 1, 2, 3, 4 saplings. Suppose A, B, C, D. These are 4 saplings. You have to find the distance between first and last sapling. The distance between first and last equal to, you are saying this is 3 upon 4, this is 3 upon 4 meter, and this is also 3 upon 4 meter. It means 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. You will multiply 3 multiplied by 3 upon 4 meter. That is 9 upon 4 meter. And if you will change this into mixed fraction, then 4 2 ja 8. You will get 1 upon 4. How? You will see 4 2 ja 8. 1 will be remainder, 2 whole 1 upon 4 meter. The distance between first and last sapling is 2 whole 1 upon 4 meter. Question number 6. Deepika reads a book for 1 whole 3 upon 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? This question you will do by your own. You will multiply by 6 or 1 whole 3 upon 4 hours. You will get the total hour reading the entire book. Now question number 7. See question number 7. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 whole 3.4 liter of petrol? A car runs using 1 liter of petrol. A car runs using 1 liter of petrol. 1 liter of petrol equal to 16 kilometer. A car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 whole 3.4 liter of petrol? Car will cover distance using 2 whole 3.4 liter of petrol equal to 1 liter 16 kilometer. 2 whole 216 multiplied by 2 whole 3/4 kilometer. See here, 16 multiplied by 2 whole 3/4. Now 16 you will change into mixed fraction. 4 to 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4. 4 16. Now 4 multiplied by 11. You will get 4 multiplied by 4, 11 multiplied by 4, that is 44 kilometer. The car will cover distance 44 kilometer using 2 whole 3.4 liters of petrol. Now you will do question number 8. You will do by your own. And thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.